Hello, fourth graders. Welcome back. I hope you're staying cool on these hot days. I'm wondering if you watched the rocket launch that was supposed to happen today, and then because of weather, they had to postpone. I was so super excited to watch that. So this Saturday, I think at around 12:20, they're going to do it again. So if you go to space.com, they're going to try again to launch, and they're going to go to the space station where we saw the Mystery Doug science astronaut talk to us. So tune in if you can. Today for math, we are going to be working on double-digit multiplication sketches. And I know we've done this before. We just want to review it. And then tomorrow we're going to start the traditional double-digit standard algorithm. So on page 287, number 1 says, Mr. Green's first grade classroom is 18 feet wide and 24 feet long. He is planning to divide it into 4 sections. Here is his plan. Write a multiplication equation in each section to show its area in square feet. So this whole side at the top is 24 feet. And this side coming down is 18 feet. And he divided this up into 4 sections. So what Mr. Green has here is 18 coming down, and the solid line means 10. And then 8 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 24 across the top. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is 24, and over here is 18. And so that's what your picture should show. It also has, you want to do this, 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 and this, and that. And then they want you to fill in equations for each of these. So we know that this part here, this solid line is 10. This solid line is 10, and this solid line is 10, right? Because this is 24, and this is 18. So in here, I could break this apart into 2 10s, or I could keep it at 20. I'm going to say 10 times 20 for that one. Down here, we've got 8 times 20. This one over here, we've got 4 times 10. And this one down here, we have 4 times 8. Okay, so then you're going to solve for each of these. You add them all together, and you will have the total area of Mr. Green's classroom. So, pause it, do that work. 10 times 20, I've got 1 times 2 is 2. And I have those 2 zeros to attach. 4 times 10 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16, attach the 0. And 4 times 8 is 32. And you add those all together. 200 plus 160, 360, plus 40, 400, plus 32, 432. Square feet, because it's the area, you square it. All right, down here, you're just multiplying with zeros. So ignore the zeros at first, and then attach them. So 20 times 30, 2 times 3 is 6, and then you've got those 2 zeros, 600. Okay, then you're going to turn the page, and this is going to be just like what we just did, where this is each of these solids is 10, and then the dashes are 1s. So you could either keep this 20, or you can use them as 2 10s up there. Same thing with here, and more multiplying with zeros. So that's your job today, and 289, more multiplying by zeros. And then there's a trick, maybe you'll see it. You're going to do multiplying by 30, multiplying by 6, and then down here, multiplying by 36. So maybe you'll use your information for that part. Hopefully you do. So tomorrow we're going to do standard 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. And so I hope you are all well. Stay cool, and we'll see you soon.